All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm changing out the headlight on my '07 VNL Volvo. I've already taken the headlight out, but it is extremely simple. It's got 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You literally just unscrew it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just unscrew it, take it out, and stick the new one back in. I was having an issue. Some of these aftermarket, you got to be careful where you get them, like Amazon stuff. I've been having bad experiences with stuff from Amazon. That stuff has been super cheap and it has not been lasting, not just on my trucks but on my pickup truck as well. But basically you run this through here, you just line the holes up, and yeah, it's pretty much plug and play. This plugs into that. Make sure we get all the holes lined up where they need to be. So I'm gonna check my screws, because some of these parts I be buying have different size screws. But oh, looks about right. Just got to get it lined up. So just make sure they all tight. I only had 4 screws, so I skipped the middle one. But that's pretty much it. All right, we got all the screws in. I kept having people talk to me and drivers calling me. So now it looks like what I'm running into is this connection is a little bit too short. Figure out how to bring that down a little bit. They got it connected up here. I'm gonna take that off and bring it down. So I got it connected. Somehow I ended up with the wire like jam back in here, so I had to loosen them a little bit to pull that wire back out. But we got it connected. I'm gonna make sure it turns on. So before I actually put it in, I did connect it to make sure everything worked and everything came on. I just need to turn the lights back on, make sure I got it connected all the way in. So lights are on, turn my blinker on. All right, lights on, blinker works. So we're in business. These are actually a little bit nicer than the ones I have. which that's how it happens, man. these freaking Volvo headlights are freaking headache. It's about the third, fourth freaking pair I put on them. I had the original pair I really liked. Somebody crashed into the truck. I had to get a new hood. Then I got a pair from the repair shop that were just completely trash. I guess they used the cheapest freaking part they could possibly find. Those are complete trash. Replaced those with the pair on Amazon. That pair was completely trash. And yeah, now I actually got these from the parts store, so hopefully they will work better. So they on, we in business. We are in business. You can tell that this one's way nicer than the other one I've got, but hey, as long as they work. As DOT, I might have to replace this one sooner or later, I guess, because now I got a nice looking headlight. But honestly, y'all, it ain't how she look, it's how she hook. So we don't do it for the fun, we do it for the funds. So I may go ahead and take my bulbs out of this one. The reason I replaced this headlight is because this connector right here was broken and it just was not sitting in the bulb properly. So this bulb is new. You know, I replaced the bulb multiple times. So that's a new bulb. You know, all these bulbs are good. So this is a high bulb right here. You know, I'm changing the parts. I might as well change take the freaking bulbs out too, right? Why not? That's a good high bulb. Honestly, I don't know, it might be as freaking same. And then a good blinker bulb. You ain't supposed to touch it with your fingers, but them things cheap. So I'm gonna trash this cheap piece of junk Amazon headlight. Don't work. Freaking connector, man. I can't believe that. I've been having so much issues with these headlights. Every single one I buy has a problem. The one I just put in damn near didn't fit, but we made it work. On to the next one.